fucking joking? And all this customer wants is a power steering flush? Jesus, here, let's do it with the window down. Let's see if we can hear it better. Oh, damn. Yeah, I just got back from a test drive and man, it's bad. I think I got whiplash. Anyways, they only want a power steering flush. I'm gonna still check it out for them. Over bumps, I can hear a clunk noise. So comment below what you think is wrong with this vehicle. All right, guys, so I'm underneath and I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to comment because these part twos ain't working out for me. All right, guys, the big reveal. Check this out. See that bushing? See that tire? It's worse on the other side. All they want is a power steering flush.